I took the O-levels last year as a private candidate and I scored A1 for both AMath and EMath in the O-level 2025. And in this video, I want to specifically talk about how I did that for AMath and the lessons that you can apply for yourself if you're Sec 4 or Sec 3 student taking AMath this year to also score A1 in your exams. So first thing is that I want to clarify is that I am a math tuition center teacher. So I own my own math tuition center called A1 Math Academy. And as you can see over here, we just moved into our new center in the heart of Chinatown. And what I have been doing for the past 2 to 3 years is that I've been teaching math all by myself, and I've taught over 200 to 300 plus students. Over the past 2 to 3 years, I have reached that level of mastery where I'm able to confidently teach any chapter from ground up, completely from scratch, as if the person that I'm teaching to has no idea what the chapter is about. I'm able to confidently explain the concepts to them. And while this might not be directly applicable to you, but I want to say that that's the level that you should be aspiring to get to if you really want to be a master of math, right? Because let's be real here, math will follow you your entire life. It doesn't start at secondary school. If you go to JC, best believe it will follow you, right? And even if you go to poly, right, math will still follow you everywhere. You will take modules that require calculus on math, and it's something that you cannot escape, right? So if we want to be good at AMath, first thing, it comes down to mastering your basic fundamental concepts. And more specifically for AMath is because AMath, it's a pure math subject. It's very, very dry in a sense that if we compare it to EMath, there's not a lot of real life example applications that we can apply so easily compared to EMath and AMath, right? AMath can be a little bit more abstract. So that is why when it comes to mastering the fundamental concepts for AMath, you need a lot more time to master it, because it can take a longer time to really understand something that you cannot really grasp, right? And that is why at my math tuition center, I actually came out with this thing called the Library of A1 Math Academy, where I personally film fundamental concepts videos for every single fundamental concept in the whole syllabus from scratch. And I literally spent many single days, right, almost a few months to film the entire library, whereby I literally break down every single fundamental concept, the bare bones of it. So I don't do lecture styles at my center. I don't find it effective to teach a whole chapter in one whole sitting just like that. So instead, I break down every chapter into really the basic building blocks, right, the fundamental concepts, and I explain it in a way that my students can all understand. So for you, you need to reach that level of mastery if you really want to score well in AMath. There's no shortcut around it. You need to be really good at your fundamental concepts. And if you are looking to get help in your fundamental concepts, master it before your next exam and learn the concepts in a way that makes sense to you, right? From someone who can explain it using simple language to you to understand. Then WhatsApp this number over here and I'll send you a demo link to the library as well as an info kit to explain to you what the library is all about and what you can expect to get if you do get the library, which also comes with our 24/7 turnaround premium marking service. So for more information, just WhatsApp this number over here and I'll send it over to you.